Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Also, remember that this video reflects my personal experience with the platform. We're taking a look at Roofstock, a platform found at www.roofstock.com, which focuses on streamlining the process of investing in single-family rental properties. Roofstock aims to simplify property ownership by offering a marketplace of pre-vetted properties, complete with inspection reports and lease agreements. This allows potential investors to browse and assess properties remotely, potentially saving significant time and travel costs. One of the key features of Roofstock is its emphasis on providing detailed information upfront. This includes not only property specifics like square footage and location, but also financial data such as projected rental income and operating expenses. The platform attempts to empower investors to make informed decisions by presenting a comprehensive picture of the potential investment. They often include 3D tours and high-quality photographs, providing a virtual walkthrough experience. Furthermore, Roofstock offers a range of services designed to simplify property management. Investors can choose to utilize Roofstock's own property management network, alleviating the burden of day-to-day landlord responsibilities. This can be especially appealing to investors who don't live near their investment properties or prefer a more hands-off approach. They aim to connect investors with local professionals who handle tenant screening, rent collection, and maintenance. Roofstock also facilitates the financing process by connecting investors with potential lenders. While they don't provide loans directly, they act as a conduit, simplifying the search for suitable financing options. This streamlined approach can be advantageous for both experienced and novice real estate investors. They strive to make the often complex world of real estate financing more accessible. Finally, it's important to remember that real estate investing carries inherent risks. While Roofstock provides tools and resources to aid in the decision-making process, thorough due diligence is always recommended. Investors should carefully analyze property information and consider their own financial situation before making any investment decisions. Roofstock's offerings can be a valuable tool, but it's essential to approach real estate investing with careful consideration and independent research. Don't forget to consult with financial advisors and real estate professionals as needed.